The IR remote hack for the Domino Robot does come as one of the regular codes in the CrunchLabs IDE, but as hackers, a few decided to give it some upgrades, making it easier to set up and provide reliable responsiveness while driving, particularly at the faster speed when it doesn't drop dominoes. If you have ever been on the HackPack Discord, you know Wakoa and Heavy Falcon 678. Wakoa started this project to optimize the IR controls and wiring. This and many other hacks can be found on the HackPack Discord. Use the link in the description to join. The Domino Robot is the second box in the HackPack subscription, and as you guessed it, it sets up dominoes. You can find out more about all the features of the Domino Robot in my introduction video in the card at the top. To make the IR remote hack work, you need an IR receiver. Grab the one from your IR turret. At least now I won't have to worry about being shot by the IR turret for a while. The major change to the wiring makes it available for anyone to hack immediately. The original code would require jumper wires to connect the IR receiver to the breadboard that many new hackers may not have. The hacked code uses both of the IR turret's wire harnesses already provided, much easier and everyone can do it. For those interested in getting jumper wires and sensors for hacks, check out the Amazon link for a full sensor kit. The portion of this collaboration by Heavy Falcon 678 allows you to run this code in the CrunchLabs IDE. Download the file from Discord, switch over to level 3, delete all the original code and paste in the hack code. Then upload to the Domino Robot and you are good to go. Also, you can use this in the Arduino IDE. Just remember to add the IR remote library to be able to use the IR remote. You have the wiring and the code within the CrunchLabs IDE, so there is nothing stopping you from trying out this hack.